All right, so the next statement, let me go to code here and say reformat code so it just reads a little bit better. Okay, so the next thing here, let's do here payment, and this represents a payment. And the next thing is to actually really calculate these payments now. Okay. So of course, we're going to start this with 1. The beginning balance is going to be the loan amount the first time. So I'm going to say loan amount here is equal to beginning balance. Okay. I think this is a double, and that's why it's complaining. So let me change that to a double, change this to a double. Okay. So the first time we write this, the beginning balance and loan amount is the same. I want to make sure I never change the loan amount by mistake, so I'm going to change this to final. That way nobody can change that within the code. I'll change this also to final and change this to final. These are things we should never touch by mistake. Okay. Let me see, why is this complaining? Loan amount, oh, because it should have been that way. So that actually helped me correct my error right away. So the loan amount coming in is the beginning balance. All right, so this is the beginning balance for the first year. Payment number 1, and we're just going to assume today's date. The scheduled payment is actually the monthly payment that we'd be paying every month. So we're going to say here, scheduled payment is equal to get going to be equal to this monthly payments. Let me paste that in here. And that's going to be with the loan amount, the years, and the interest. And why is this not working? Because this is years plural. Okay, let me see here, monthly payment. To make this compatible, I should make all of these double. So some you make that double. Yeah, so I'm change all of that to double. Okay, so monthly payments here. I just realized here I've got here get monthly payments. I should have changed this to get monthly interest payment. Okay, let me get rid of the S here. So I changed that to get monthly interest payment, so I don't get confused with this one right here. This is the total monthly payment. Okay, so I got the monthly payment there. The next step is to get the extra payments. We're going to leave that as 0. Total payments. Total payments is equal to extra payments plus schedule payments. Right now, the extra payments will be 0 until we add in a parameter for that. Okay. So right now it would be 0. Principal, if you remember from our example, it's equal to that interest payment. So this is the get interest payment right here. I'm going to type in here, let me go here, double interest payment is equal to get monthly interest payments by itself. This will be the loan amount again. This will be years, 30, and the interest is is interest coming in. Interest, and of course I shouldn't hard code the 30 here. This should also be the years. Okay, get monthly interest. Let me see here, loan amount, which is double. Years, integer. Why is this complaining? Oh, there is no years. That's why. And that should be it right there. All right, so looking good so far. All right, now principal is going to equal to interest payments minus, interest payments, and actually should be schedule payments. All right, so it's going to be principal minus schedule payments. I mean, schedule payments minus interest payments. All right, so what I want to do is I want to check to see how's it going by running this in code first, and then we will continue with this example.